Welcome to the channel. This is Jacob from uniquephoto.com. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to export your photo from Lightroom specifically for Facebook and how to add a watermark to your photo. So here we go. Once your photo is done editing and you're ready to export, you're going to right click, go down to export, and then click on export. A window's going to open. I have the tabs needed for this demonstration. The first tab is export location. So you're going to hit choose, and then you can save the picture to whichever folder you have organized for your pictures. The next tab is file settings. Now for this one, specifically for Facebook, you're going to want to make sure that the image format is JPEG, the color space is sRGB, and we're going to change the quality to 70. And then in the next tab, we're going to resize to fit, long edge, and then for pixels, we're going to put 2048. And for resolution, we're going to change that to 72. Now for your watermark, you're going to go down, click on edit watermarks, and a new window is going to open. You can either do text or graphic. For this demonstration, I'm going to do graphic. You're going to choose, go to the folder where you have your special graphics. For this one, I'm going to do black on transparent. Choose, and you're going to notice here that my logo's on the bottom. And then here for the effects, you can change the opacity, the size, the horizontal, the vertical, and you can anchor your logo anywhere on the corners or in the middle. Then you're going to hit save. You're going to name the preset. Hit create. Your watermark is set, and then you're going to hit export. And there you go. Your watermark is here on the bottom left, and now your picture's resolution is set up specifically for Facebook. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you can stay up to date to all future content of the channel. Before I go, I leave you with this quote. Seek opportunities to show you care. The smallest gestures often make the biggest difference. Today's quote was inspired by John Wooden. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, laters.